Niggas in my grill tryna phase me.
Kung Fu broadsword, also known as DAOSHU, is a traditional Chinese martial art weapon that has been in use for centuries. It is a single-handed weapon with a curved blade and a straight handle, designed for close combat and quick, powerful strikes. The DAOSHU is often referred to as the saber of war, and its name reflects its ferocity and power. Or the broadsword is like a fierce tiger. This weapon requires great skill and discipline to master. Broadsword has single blade. Open your hand, grab the handle firmly. Set your sword on your waist. Left hand become palm, push your sword straight. Just like you push punch. Weapon is extended hand and repeat gently. Put more power and speed. Your feet according your hand. Same time up and down of your hall. Chan Tu Guo now. Sword on shoulder. And back. Cut in waist. Back to shoulder. Back. Around neck. Push palm. And repeat. Bidao, sword from top of head, cut down straight and right.